everybody, I'm at Walgreens. It is 6:50 in the morning. I am high on life, you guys. Anyways, I am heading into the store to show you guys some deals. There are some great deals, there's some repeater deals, but that is okay. One thing I do want to give you guys a heads up is it is the beginning of a new monthly booklet. So if you guys do the booklet things, make sure you look around the store for them. If your store doesn't have them, ask a cashier. You can use the booklet as many times as you want. When you clip it to your card, it's one time, that's it. If you're doing like multiple of the same ones at one time, that's fine with the app, whatever, but I prefer the piece of paper. So let's go inside. I swear the car right behind me backed up and parked again, but never mind. But let's go inside, have some fun saving money, and then I'll come back and show you guys my haul, all the questions, comments, concerns you guys have, I have. We will try to figure it out. So let's go have some fun shopping. That's the best thing of it all. And have fun saving some money. The soft soap hand soap is regular price $2.49 or $2.99. So if you want to, you can buy 4 of the ones that are $2.99. We currently have a 50% off digital coupon that you will use. These are buy one get one 50% off. So you will pay $8.47, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 4 of them, making them $4.47 or just $1.11 each. Or you could buy the 2 that are $2.49 at buy one get one 50% off. You will use that 50% off digital coupon. You will pay $6.97, get that $4 register reward, making them $2.97 or just 74 cents each. The soft soap and the Irish Springs are on sale this week for just $5, okay? $5. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you can end up using. You'll end up just paying $8 for 2 of them, but then when you purchase the 2, you will get a $4 register reward, making them just $4 or $2 each, depending on if you want to do that deal. I feel like these have been going up in price more and more, but it's an okay deal. Here is an easy freebie that you guys can do. So the Garnier Fructis is on sale for 2 for $7. Now we do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use, or we have a 3 off of 2 insert coupon. If you're going to use one digital and one paper, make sure you do them in separate transactions and do not pay with the register reward that you get from the first transaction. But you will use those, either the one or each coupon. Then you will pay $4, but here you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2, making both of them absolutely free. This is my go-to stuff that I absolutely love, but definitely a great price. We have the Oral-B toothbrushes for $4. We also have some Crest toothpaste for $4, and we also have some floss picks for $4. I don't see any of the mouthwash on sale for $4, but we're going to use a 6 off of 3. You'll end up just paying $6 for 3 of them, but when you purchase 2 of them, you get a $5 register reward, making these just $1 or 33 cents each. We have the little tiny bottle of the Crest mouthwash, or Colgate, yeah, Crest mouthwash for $2.99. Now I actually have quite a few different digitals that popped up, but this one would work best. It is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll end up just paying $2.98, but then you get a $3 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them. Makes them both for free and a 2-cent moneymaker. The Colgate toothpaste this week is on sale for $3.99. You want to buy 2 of them. There's currently a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you will want to use. You will pay $4.98, but then you get a $4 cash rewards when you purchase 2 of them. Makes them just 98 cents or 49 cents each, which is an okay deal if you guys want to get that. I was really hoping there was a sale on this, but it looks like they're not. These are $5.99. You would pay $5.99 for it, but then there is a Ibotta rebate for $3. You would just get this for just $2.99 if you guys want to go ahead and try that, but just wanted to share with you on that deal. So here we have the Tide Pods. These are $5.49 along with the smaller bottles of Tide, and my store is still putting tags up, but we also have included the this Downy Calm is $5.49. I think One of these is $5.49, and then we have the Unstoppables and this bounce spray, which I do not see it, but and then we have some of the dryer sheets for $5.49. Now I'm trying to click these, but they're not popping up. But we currently have 3 $1 off digital coupons, one for the Tide liquid, I know for sure, possibly for the Tide Pods, and then possibly one for the Downy. But you're gonna mix and match. I forgot to print my coupons from the P&G website, but you'll end up paying $18.96 for 4 of these. But you will get a $6 register reward when you purchase the 4 of them, making them $12.96 or $3.24 each, if you guys love the brand. Here we have the Bic razors for $5.99 for the women's. Also for the men's razors are $5.99. We currently have a $4 off digital coupon that you guys will use. When you purchase 2 of them, you're going to end up paying $7.98. But then there is welcome to Walgreens. First time I heard that today. Then you get a $2 off of 2 rebate when you purchase 2 with Ibotta, and then you get a $3 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them. Makes them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. Okay, so we have these pads right here. These are 2 for $8. Now there's 2 different scenarios we can do for this. Okay, here they are, 2 for $8. Now we did receive some 4 off of 2 coupons. Otherwise, we do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4 for 2 of these. But there is a shop kick deal where I only get 300 kicks for purchasing it, which is 40 cents. And then there is also a Ibotta deal that does end soon where you get $1 back. So both of these will come out to be just $1.18. That's like, I don't know, I didn't do the math, but $1.18 for both of these. Or you can see if your store can price match it, but right here it shows that these
Welcome to Walgreens.
Welcome to Walgreens. These are showing that they are 2 for $5. You guys would use that $5 off coupon, or you want to pay 2 for $5. Sorry, you guys, my thing just disappeared on me. Then you're going to use that 4 off of 2 digital coupon, okay? If it works, that 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You would just pay $1 for 2 of these, but then you submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, and then that shop kick deal, this ends up becoming a $1.40 moneymaker, which is a great deal. Here's another deal we can do. We're gonna get one of the Kotex tampons. Now there's no coupon for it, but right here they say they're 2 for $8, but here it says that they are $3.89, so my store will price match it for $3.89. Then what you're gonna do is you will pay $3.89, and then you can submit your receipt.
Welcome to Walgreens.
Welcome to Walgreens. You guys will submit your receipt to Shopkicks. There is no Ibotta deal for this, but I get 370 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.48. So this just comes out to be just $2.41. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna combine one of these, and then we're gonna get 2 of these Kotex security pads, okay? So $2 or $3.89, and then these are 2 for $5. We're gonna use that 4 off of 2 digital coupon, or there is an insert coupon. You will altogether pay $4.89, but then with Shopkicks you get 450 kicks for both of these items, and then I get 375 bonus kicks, which is $1.50. So all 3 items end up becoming a 49-cent moneymaker. If you guys have some hankering for some soda, they have the, looks like Pepsi products and Dr. Pepper A&W products, 3 for $9.99, which is actually a pretty good deal considering that's like the cheapest place I can find soda. And there is an awesome deal, if you guys haven't done this already, but every 2 Dr. Peppers you buy, if you join the Dr. Pepper Club, you get points. I haven't done it yet, but from what I heard, every 2 packs of Dr. Pepper, you get a $6 Voodoo credit. Now, if you guys know me, I love Voodoo. I love my movies. So that's a free movie that I can buy just by buying 2 of them. It is a limit 2 per account, so I'm gonna buy 2, see how it works, and then I might buy 2 more. But I'm actually gonna get 2 Dr. Peppers and a root beer if I can find it. My shelves are empty for the root beer, but this is not included in my haul, but I think that's a pretty decent deal, so we'll see how it goes. Here is Sting Kale. It is on sale this month for $5.99, and then there is $1 off in the Walgreens booklet coupon. My store does not have theirs out yet. They're grabbing them for me. But I just scanned it, and there is a $3 Ibotta rebate for this. So you would just get this for $1.99 if you guys want to get something for that. But I've been just waiting for a deal for it. Looks like it's kind of on sale now. This Compeed Blister Care is $9.99 regular price, but we currently have a $2 off digital coupon, and then there is a $3 off coupon with the Walgreens booklet. You would end up just paying $4.99, but then there is a $5 Ibotta rebate for this. So you would just get this for you pay $5, but then you submit your receipt for $5, making this little item absolutely for free. Hello everybody, welcome back to my Walgreens haul. I can't believe how like wound up I am. So I just made an Instagram video, you guys. If you guys are watching this on Sunday, early Sunday, the Walgreens sale prices are not working. One of the cashiers, she's like, do you know what the sale prices are? I says, yeah. She's like, okay, good, because a lot of the sale prices are not ringing up. And I said, okay. So I always kind of make sure I know the prices anyways. That's why I have this like breakdown thing. If you guys want just like the sheet like this without the breakdowns, I do have a video. I have it linked in every single one of my videos that you guys can print your own breakdown so you guys kind of understand it. But I have it so you guys can print it for yourself for free. But anyways, that's why I like it having this stuff, because then I know what's on sale. So that was my first problem right there. Then it is the new booklet. It is for July. The booklet coupons were not working. So if you guys buy anything with the Walgreens booklet, the digitals and the booklet are not coming off. She had to like override it. I don't know what the heck's going on, but just giving you guys a heads up with that. So she had to override everything that I got because it's all on sale. There's one item that was not on sale. It's this one. This is the Compeed. So this was $9.99. There is a, $3 off booklet coupon that did not come off, so she had to override. She just overrode that. And then there is a $2 off digital coupon. Now the digitals are working except one item, and I will share with you guys that. But you would pay $4.99 for this, but you submit your receipt to Ibotta for $5. This comes out to be for free, so this is an easy freebie if you guys want to go ahead and do that. The one items that are not working with the digital coupons are the Garnier Fructis. The digitals are not working for these. So these are 2 for $7. You guys would want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon, or there is the digital, but like I said, it's not working for me. Your store might let you take off $3. It's every store is different. But if you use the coupon, you would pay $4 for the both of these, but then you get a $4 register reward for purchasing 2 of them, making these both absolutely free. So that is a great easy freebie today. So here's another problem that I had. So I had a 6 off of 3 digital coupon for these 3 items, right? These 3. The coupon did not come off. It did not come off. It came off for $1. Now I've noticed that if I have all of them clipped off, usually the best digital coupon comes off, but no, the $1 off. The cashier's like, well, I can give you like $5 cash rewards. I says, don't worry about it. Not a big deal, but sometimes, you know, it just happens. But anyways, these were $4 each. You guys would buy 3 of them. There is that 6 off of 3 digital coupon. You would pay $6 for 3 of these, but then you get a $5 register reward, making these $1 or 30 cents each, 33 cents each. But you only need to buy 2 of them to get the $5 register reward. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up with that, but this is kind of a messed up deal. It's just one of those days today. I ended up getting the Bic Soleil razors for $5.99. There is a $4 off digital coupon. That came off. You would pay $7.98 for 2 of these, but then there is a 2 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta. And then there is also you also receive a $3 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them, making $2.98 or $1.49 each. So it depends on if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. Now here is the best deal that you guys can do. Now if you watched my breakdowns for the Kotex deals you could do either way, but I'm gonna combine them because my store finally had some of these in stock. So these were 2 for $8. I had them price match what they said online for 2 for $5. 2 for $5, and there is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for this. Now this is like the second or third time, but those coupons are only for pads and liners. Why not tampons? Why just pads and liners? I've noticed that a couple times lately. Kotex, what's going on here? Girls use tampons just as much as they use pads. But anyways, so these I had them price matched to 2 for $5, and then I had that 4 off of 2 digital, or you could use the printable. And then I got the Kotex tampons. These are 2 for $8 also, but my store price matched to their online price, which was $3.89. So altogether, you would pay $4.89 for these 3 items. With Ibotta, you get $1 back times 2, and then you also, since I did this deal last week, I only got 100 points for purchasing one of these with ShopKicks, which is 40 cents. But for this, I got 370 kicks through ShopKicks for purchasing and scanning, which is $1.48. But when you buy 2 of these items together, they come out to be just $3.70. You get sorry, you guys. You get an additional 375 point bonus with ShopKicks, which is an additional $1.50, making this a 49-cent moneymaker. Now, when I was checking out Fetch Rewards last night, nothing was popped up. When I scanned my receipt, I got an additional 1,000 points back. So these all 3 came out to be a $1.49 moneymaker. All 3 of these, a $1.49 moneymaker, which is a great deal. So that was my haul, you guys. The soft soap deal, I have so much hand soap, it's ridiculous, so I kind of passed on that. I was thinking of getting the Tide, but then I'm just like, oh, I don't know. The Irish Spring, to me, I just have a lot of it, so I kind of passed on that also. But my total came to $20.80 for everything. Or $20.81. I did receive $12 worth of register rewards. For points, I only got 14 cents. Yes, 14 cents. With Ibotta, I did receive $9 back. With Fetch Rewards, I received 1,070 points, or 75 points, which is $1.07. And then for ShopKicks, I received 845 kicks, which is $3.38. My grand total, you guys, today came out to be a $4.78 moneymaker. So I got everything for free. But yeah, so make sure you guys are checking those prices out until, I don't know, I know a lot of you guys don't like shopping on Sundays because that's when they have all their most problems, but you know what, it's nice to pay attention, and I'm glad the cashier told me ahead of time because I would have been like seriously screwed and all that fun stuff. But make sure you guys are giving this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I love it when I get new subscribers. I just absolutely love it. It is the highlight of my day. I'm constantly checking YouTube the most to respond to your comments and to see if I have new subscribers. That's all that I love, and I love helping as many people as I can. So give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. See ya. Bye-bye.